Hello everyone. Welcome to the new video of the C# course. Today I will introduce you to C# data types. In C#, there are several types of data that you can use. These data types are categorized into two broad categories: value types and reference types. Value types include both simple types, also known as primitive types, and struct types. Simple types include numeric types, Boolean type, and character type. Numeric types are integral types, s-byte, byte, short, u-short, int, uint, long, u-long, char. Floating point types, float and double. Decimal type written as decimal. Other simple types are Boolean type, bool, this can hold the values true or false. Character type, char, this can hold a single Unicode character. I will show you now examples for numeric types. Int my int equals 10. Float my float equals 20.5f. Double my double equals 30.123. Decimal my decimal equals 40.123m. Here is the Boolean type example. Bool my bool equals true. Here is the character type example. Char my char equals a. Struct types are user-defined types that can hold multiple data items of different kinds. First, define a struct. Public struct point. Public int x. Public int y. Then, use it. Point my point equals new point. X equals 20. Y equals 30. Reference types include class types, interface types, array types, and delegate types. Class types, the data type of a class is the class name itself. Example. First, define a class. Public class my class. Public int my property get, set. Then, use it. My class my object equals new my class my property equals 10. Interface types, the data type of an interface is the interface name itself. Here is example. First, define an interface. Public interface my interface. Void my method. Then, define a class that implements the interface. Public class my interface implementation, my interface. Public void my method. Implementation goes here. Then, use it. My interface equals new my interface implementation. Array types, the array type is a composite data type consisting of a collection of the same data type. Here is example. Int my array equals new int 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Delegate types. The delegate type is a reference data type that holds the reference to a method. Example. Public delegate void my delegate, string message. And last one is string data type. In C#, a string is a sequence of characters, and it's a reference type. Strings are immutable in C#, which means once they are created, they cannot be changed. Instead, every time you modify a string, a new string is created in memory. Example. String my string equals hello, world. That's it for now. More tutorials for this course coming soon. Subscribe.